Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're tackling something.
Oh, this is exciting.
That sounds a bit intimidating at first.
Right.
But trust me, it's super cool. It's called the Shapley value.
Yeah.
You ever think about like those situations where people work together and they create something awesome?
Absolutely.
It could be anything, right?
Yeah.
Like a company's profit or like a victory for a sports team.
Right.
The Shapley value, what this does is it helps us figure out fairly how much each person contributed.
Okay.
And we're going beyond just like
Right.
splitting things evenly, right?
Exactly.
It's about fairness based on what each person brought to the table.
Yeah, and even when like those contributions are all mixed up together, it's like, how do you separate those out?
Which that's the key.
It recognizes that in most real-world scenarios, contributions aren't isolated.
Right.
They're interacting.
Yeah.
And they're building on each other.
Absolutely. And to delve into this concept,
we are going to be using excerpts from the Wikipedia article on Shapley value.
All right. Classic.
So to kind of set the stage here, we need to understand what a coalitional game is.
Right.
To be honest with you, when I first heard that term, it sounded way more complicated than it really is.
It sounds very jargony.
It does. It does.
Let's break it down.
Yeah, let's do it.
So imagine you have a group of players.
Okay.
That could be people in a business, athletes on a team, or even just different parts of a machine learning model.
Oh, wow.
So this is our group.
Okay.
This is our N.
Our N, okay.
And now we need a way to measure the value that each possible combination of players can create.
Okay.
So we have a way of saying, okay, if we put these two people together, how much value can they create?
Got it.
We called this the characteristic function.
Okay.
Or think of it like a recipe book.
Each recipe needs specific ingredients to make a dish.
Yeah.
And each dish has its own unique value.
Right.
Or in our case, like taste.
Okay, so the characteristic function tells us how much value or taste any group of players can create.
Yes.
But how do we go from there to saying, okay, you get this much of the reward because of what you brought to the table?
That's the million-dollar question.
That's where the Shapley value formula comes in, right?
Exactly.
Right.
And the formula itself can look a bit scary.
Okay.
But the idea behind it is pretty elegant.
Okay.
Picture each player joining the coalition.
Right.
Or joining the recipe, if you will.
Okay.
One by one.
All right.
Each time a player joins, they're bringing something new to the mix, right?
Yeah.
And that changes the overall value.
Okay.
And that change is their marginal contribution.
Okay.
So what the Shapley value does is it calculates the average of a player's marginal contributions across every single possible order that they could have joined the group.
It's not just about how much value you add when you join.
Exactly.
It's about when you join.
It's about the order.
Let's make this more specific.
Okay, yeah.
Imagine a tech startup, right? You've got the founder with the brilliant idea.
Of course.
Right. And then you have the developers, the marketers, the salespeople, all joining the team at different stages.
Yeah.
How would the Shapley value apply to them?
Let's say the founder comes up with a game-changing app idea.
Okay.
On their own.
Yeah.
They might be able to achieve a certain level of success.
Yeah.
But when a talented developer joins,
suddenly
the app becomes a reality and the value skyrockets.
It's actually like a real thing, right?
Yeah.
It's not just an idea anymore.
Exactly.
It's a product.
Exactly.
Okay.
Then, later on, a marketing whiz comes on board.
Okay.
Launches this brilliant campaign that brings in millions of users.
Right. Each person's contribution is amplified by those who came before and after them.
So even though the founder had the initial spark, the Shapley value is recognizing that the developer and the marketer are crucial in turning that spark into a raging fire.
Right.
They're all part of the success.
It's not about taking away from anyone's importance.
Exactly.
It's about acknowledging that the timing and the combination of all these contributions really matter.
Yeah, it's the whole ecosystem.
This is making me think about team dynamics in a whole new way.
Precisely.
Wow.
The Shapley value helps us see beyond just individual efforts.
Yeah.
And appreciate how those efforts interact to create something bigger than themselves.
Okay, so this brings us to the concept of synergy.
Yeah.
Which I have to admit, when I first heard it, it just sounded like a bunch of corporate buzzwords.
I feel you.
But in the context of the Shapley value, it takes on a whole new meaning.
It really does.
Explain that to me. How does synergy fit into all of this?
Think of synergy as like the special sauce that emerges when the right ingredients come together.
Okay, I like that.
It's the value created by the group that's greater than the sum of what each individual could have achieved on their own.
Okay, so...
Remember our tech startup example?
Yeah.
The founder, the developer, the marketer, together they created something far more valuable than any of them could have done individually.
Oh.
That extra value, that synergy.
Okay, so synergy is like that click moment.
Yeah, like magic.
When a team just gels and their combined efforts are greater than the sum of their parts.
You got it.
And how does this relate back to the Shapley value formula?
Right.
Is there a way to actually calculate synergy?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So remember the characteristic function.
Yeah, our recipe book.
Our recipe book, right.
Yeah.
It allows us to calculate the value of each group.
Okay.
Including the group with all the players.
Okay.
By comparing that total value to the sum of the individual values.
Okay.
We can isolate the value.
Okay.
That emerged purely from collaboration.
Gotcha.
And that's the synergy.
Wow. So we can actually put a number on that special sauce.
We can quantify it.
So does that mean that the Shapley value considers synergy when it's determining each person's share of the rewards?
You got it.
Okay.
There's actually an alternate way to express the Shapley value formula.
Oh, wow.
That directly relates to synergy.
Okay.
It tells us that a player's share of the overall value is proportional to the synergy of all of the groups or recipes that they're a part of.
Okay, I'm seeing how this ties together.
It's all connected.
So in our startup example, the founder is involved in all of the high synergy combinations, right?
Right.
Founder, developer, founder, marketer, and then the whole team together.
A whole shebang.
So their share of the rewards would be higher.
Right.
Because they're consistently part of the groups that are creating that extra oomph.
That extra oomph, exactly.
This is making me rethink how we evaluate contributions in all sorts of scenarios.
And that's one of the beautiful things about the Shapley value. Is it helps us move beyond simplistic assessments of individual effort. And appreciate the intricate web of contributions that lead to success.
This has been incredible so far.
It's really fascinating stuff.
We have explored the basic idea of a coalitional game. Unpacked the Shapley value formula a little bit and uncovered this concept of synergy. I'm already starting to see how this seemingly abstract mathematical concept can have real-world implications.
It really can.
But before we get into those applications, can we delve a little deeper into the characteristics of the Shapley value itself?
Of course we can.
What makes it such a compelling concept of fairness?
You're asking the right questions.
Okay.
So what makes the Shapley value so robust is its inherent properties.
Okay.
These properties are what make it so powerful for ensuring fairness in how we distribute rewards or costs.
Oh, okay.
So it's not just about the math.
Yeah.
It's about the principles behind it.
Yeah, I like that.
So let's dive into those properties.
Let's do it.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
So we were talking about these properties of the Shapley value that make it so compelling.
Yeah, when it comes to fairness.
When it comes to fairness.
What exactly are they?
Okay, so first off, it's efficient.
Okay.
All of the value gets distributed.
Okay.
Nothing gets wasted.
Okay.
So if a team achieves a certain goal or a company makes a profit, the Shapley value makes sure that every bit of that value is accounted for and distributed among the contributors.
That makes sense. It wouldn't be very fair if some of the value just disappeared, right?
Exactly. You want to make sure everything's accounted for.
What else?
Another key property is symmetry.
Okay.
If two players contribute equally to the overall value, they get equal shares.
Okay.
So it doesn't play favorites.
I like that.
It's purely based on the value each person brings to the table. Regardless of their title, seniority, any other factors.
It levels the playing field.
Exactly.
It ensures that everyone is judged based on their actual contribution.
On their merits.
Are there any other properties that stand out to you?
There's linearity.
Okay.
If the overall value of the game increases, the rewards scale up proportionally.
Okay.
So imagine our startup from earlier, they suddenly get acquired for a huge sum of money.
Yeah, big exit.
Big exit, right?
Okay.
The Shapley value makes sure that everyone's share of that windfall increases fairly.
Okay.
Based on their original contributions.
So it scales with success.
It scales with success.
Which is reassuring for everyone involved.
Absolutely.
It seems like the Shapley value has thought of everything.
Well, it tries to.
Okay.
Another important property is the null player property.
Okay, what's that?
This basically says that if someone adds absolutely no value to any of the coalitions, they get nothing.
So you don't just get a trophy for showing up.
It's like that saying, you don't get a trophy just for showing up.
I like that.
The Shapley value is all about rewarding actual contributions.
That's fair.
You got to bring something to the table.
I'm guessing there are even more properties.
Oh, yeah, there are plenty more.
But for the sake of time, I'm really curious about those real-world applications you teased earlier.
Yeah, let's get into it.
We've talked about startups and teams, but where else is this actually being used?
One area where it's making a huge impact is machine learning.
Okay.
Think about those complex models. Used to predict things like customer behavior or stock prices.
Yeah, those are really complex.
It can feel like black boxes.
They do.
Right.
I mean, I know these algorithms exist.
Yeah.
And they're incredibly powerful.
Yeah.
But I have no idea what's going on inside them.
Exactly.
Yes?
And that's where the Shapley value comes in.
Right.
It helps us understand which features or variables are actually driving the model's predictions.
So it gives us some insight.
It opens the black box a little bit. Let's take a model predicting customer churn, for example.
All right. Yeah, churn, like when a customer leaves your business.
Exactly.
For a competitor, or just stops using your product altogether.
Yeah, they're gone.
All right.
So this model might consider hundreds of factors.
Right, I can imagine.
Things like demographics, purchase history, website interactions.
All kinds of tons of data.
But how do we know which of those factors are truly important in determining
whether a customer is going to stay or go?
That's the question.
Okay.
And that's where the Shapley value can really shine.
Okay.
It assigns a value to each feature based on its contribution to the prediction.
So instead of guessing or relying on intuition.
Right. It takes the guesswork out of it.
The Shapley value gives us a concrete way to understand which features are the most impactful.
Exactly.
That's super useful.
It is.
So it's not just about understanding the model itself. It's about improving it.
It's about action.
Okay, now I see where you're going with this.
Yeah.
If we know which features are the most important, we can focus on collecting better data for those features.
Exactly. You're getting it.
Okay.
Or maybe you realize that certain features are just adding noise.
Oh, okay.
And complexity.
Yeah.
Without actually improving the model's accuracy.
Right.
The Shapley value helps you streamline and optimize your models.
So it's like a tool for fine-tuning.
It is.
These powerful machine learning algorithms.
Absolutely.
Wow, this is fascinating.
Yeah.
Something from game theory.
I know, right?
Has become so crucial in this cutting-edge field.
It's all connected.
What other applications come to mind?
Well, there's also something called Shapley value regression.
Now, I'm definitely getting flashbacks to those intimidating formulas.
Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds.
Oh, yeah.
It's a way to measure the contribution of individual variables in a wider range of statistical models.
Okay, so it has a broader scope than what we were talking about with machine learning.
A wider lens.
Okay.
Think about analyzing customer churn.
Right.
Like we discussed, but in a more general sense.
Okay.
Or predicting housing prices.
Okay.
Or even understanding the factors that influence election results.
So if I wanted to figure out what's driving up housing costs in a specific city, the Shapley value could help me pinpoint the key variables.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Maybe it's proximity to good schools, access to public transportation,
right,
or even something like the number of parks and green spaces.
Interesting.
The Shapley value can quantify the impact of each of those factors.
Okay, this reminds me of our earlier example with the tech startup. Could we use Shapley value regression to analyze a real business? And see how different factors contribute to its profitability?
You're spot on.
Really?
You can look at things like marketing spend, product quality, employee productivity, supply chain efficiency.
Wow, so many things.
Anything that might play a role.
Okay.
The Shapley value would tell you how much each of those factors contributes to the overall profit.
It's like having a mathematical microscope.
It is.
To examine the inner workings of a business.
It's a powerful tool.
Wow. The more we delve into this,
I know, right?
The more applications pop up.
They keep coming.
It really is like a universal key unlocking insights.
It is.
In so many different fields.
Yeah, it's pretty remarkable.
This is what makes the deep dive so exciting.
I love it.
It speaks to the elegance and power of the concept.
It really does.
It's this versatile framework for understanding and quantifying contributions in any cooperative environment.
Anytime people work together.
We've covered a lot of ground today,
Yeah.
from the fundamentals of the Shapley value to its pretty mind-blowing applications.
I know, right?
In machine learning and beyond.
It's everywhere.
It's clear that this concept has the potential to change how we think about fairness,
absolutely,
collaboration, and value creation.
Big ideas.
In a wide range of contexts.
It's a game changer.
But before we wrap things up, what are some of the broader implications of the Shapley value?
Ooh, that's a good question.
What are some of those philosophical takeaways you mentioned earlier?
All right, let's get philosophical. Yeah, it's interesting you bring that up, that philosophical side of things.
Yeah.
That's something that really fascinates me about the Shapley value. It's not just a formula.
Right.
It's a way of thinking about the world.
I'm all ears. What kind of philosophical insights does it offer?
Well, for one, it challenges our assumptions about how contributions work.
Okay.
We often think of contributions as being easily separable.
Right.
Like each person brings their own little piece to the puzzle.
Right. It's like everyone has their own clearly defined role and responsibilities.
Yeah. But the Shapley value shows us that's rarely the case in reality.
Right.
It highlights the interconnectedness of our actions and how value emerges from this complex interplay of individual contributions.
So it's not just about what each person does on their own.
It's the combination.
It's about how those actions interact and build upon each other.
Exactly. Think about a team project at work.
Okay, yeah.
It's not just about who completed the most tasks. It's about who brought the right skills at the right time.
Okay.
Who facilitated collaboration.
Yeah.
Who provided critical insights that shifted the entire direction
I like that.
of the project.
That makes so much sense. It's like a symphony orchestra.
It is.
Each musician plays their part.
Yeah.
But the real magic comes from how those parts harmonize and create this unified sound.
And the Shapley value acknowledges that sometimes a seemingly small contribution can have a huge impact because of the context in which it occurs.
It's like that saying, the right thing at the right time can change everything.
Precisely.
Wow.
It's a powerful reminder that we're all part of a larger system.
Yeah.
And our actions ripple outwards.
Okay.
Influencing outcomes in ways we might not fully grasp.
It really makes you think
it does.
About the butterfly effect and things like that.
Absolutely.
This is making me rethink how I view collaboration and success.
Yeah.
It's not just about individual effort.
Right.
It's about understanding that intricate web of contributions and how they all come together to create something truly remarkable.
And that brings us to a final thought.
Okay.
For our astute listener.
I'm ready for it.
Think of a situation in your own life.
Okay.
Where people cooperate to create value.
Okay.
It could be a project at work.
Right.
A shared household task.
Yeah.
Or even something as simple as planning a group outing.
Yeah, we all experience these kinds of collaborative situations every day.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now, ask yourself, could you use the Shapley value to figure out a truly fair way to divide the rewards or the costs?
Okay.
How would you assign value to each person's contribution?
Right.
Considering the timing.
Yeah.
And the interplay of their actions.
It's a fascinating exercise.
It is.
It makes you really analyze the dynamics of cooperation and appreciate the nuances of how value is created.
The Shapley value is more than just a mathematical formula.
Right.
It's a framework for understanding the world around us.
I like that.
It's a way to see beyond individual actions.
Yeah.
And appreciate the beauty of collective effort.
This has been an incredible deep dive.
It has been fun.
I feel like we've only scratched the surface.
And there's always more
of this fascinating concept
to explore.
Well, we hope you've emerged with a newfound appreciation for the elegance, the power, and the profound implications of the Shapley value.
The big idea.
And as always, keep those minds curious.
Keep learning.
And never stop exploring the depths of knowledge.
That's what we're here for.
Until next time.
Yes.
Happy diving.